Hi, and welcome to our W Style studio. I'm super excited to be here today to be talking to you about Festive. We launched our campaign yesterday, and the most exciting thing about the campaign is that we've used colleagues who work with us to star in the production itself. So we have the buyers from Ethnic Wear in the video, we have the buyers from Men's ETA, and this is one of the ETA Nehru jackets that I'm wearing that's coming in next month. And you're gonna find this in stores for $14.99. So the exciting thing about the campaign was that we've used real people who work with the brand, who love the brand, who live, eat, and sleep the brand purpose. And joining me in the studio today, as I said, is Parul, and we're gonna be talking about ethnic wear.
Hi, I'm Parul, and I'm just gonna take off my mask so that I'm more audible. And I'm super excited to talk about a festive look this season. I know the times have been tough, but we are looking forward to festivities. And though the look is more slightly casual, but celebrations must go on. So we have a little bit of a festive collection, which is you can call smart casuals or evening casuals. So I'm gonna talk about our day wear look, which is when we go for family lunches together. So we have a nice bright printed kurta with little bit of gold, and you can pair them with our comfortable palazzos. In the evening when we meet friends or we have a little house party going on, this is a very beautiful kurta with the palazzo. And it does have a little bit of gold, so even though we are talking about it being little casual, but we are not missing out on the gold here. So little bit of glitter is there, not too much, but little bit of it.
So you showed two very distinctive looks. You showed a color pop and you showed a sort of tone on tone, matchy. Is that some of the big trends?
So yeah, when we talk about trends, there is one we are talking about, like it has to be picturesque and photogenic, and there is trend where it has to be really subtle, understated, and comfortable. When we talk about this is more subtle, understated, you are in your comfort zone. And when we spoke about the bright prints, it's like where you want to stand out, you want to meet friends, build some memories, and look beautiful in the pictures as well.
It is a really bold statement, the sort of like powerful,
pop
sort of
colors.
rich pop colors. And very unusual combination as well, sort of like, and there's still a bit of gold in here, so you can bring a bit of that glamour element in as well, right?
Yes, absolutely. And in India, festivities is all about color. So
okay, so let's go next.
So we have these beautiful, a beautiful printed kurta with coordinated palazzo for our curvy customers. If you can see, the print is really photogenic, and it's a very soft, flowy fabric. You can wear it in the evening or you can wear it during the day.
The fabric is absolutely cool and so flowy. What is it?
So it drapes very well. So it's a viscose fabric.
Beautiful.
Which takes the shape of the body very well.
Okay. So what about our younger customer, our more contemporary customer? What do we have for her this season?
So for a younger customer, we have a much more casual looking brand where you can pair it up with a pair of, you can pair your bottoms with a nice crop top or a crop t-shirt during the day. And if you want to take it to an edge, you can always layer it with a dress. You can keep the buttons open and layer it with the crop top and the bottoms, or just wear it as a dress.
Oh, I love the combination of colors and pattern, and it's quite sort of unusual because you know, it's the floral and the stripe and the beautiful sort of like new essential t-shirt with a bit of a lace detail.
Yeah, and it creates quite a edgy look because you have so many patterns going well together, and it gives that young vibe to the person.
So this is an alternative to sort of like bling, an alternative to sort of like absolute ethnic. This is almost like a fusion. We've covered contemporary festive, we've covered casual festive. Now, you said to me earlier on, India is about celebration. It is about, you know, going out, meeting family and friends.
Absolutely.
I also think a lot of people are going to be spending time at home, and there's going to be a lot of people coming home, right?
Yes.
I love what you're wearing.
Thanks.
So you want to tell me a bit about that?
So this is a very casual silk kurta from a brand called Zuba. It's very understated, yet if you look at it, it's quite picturesque. It looks good in the pictures. It's great to create memories where everyone wants to look good. And in the same brand, we have a very understated, yet a very happy, beautiful colors. Printed floral kurta combined with striped palazzo and a coordinated stole. It's a great look for a perfect evening wine and dine with your friends and family.
I mean, the three of us together look like a window.
Yeah.
I just looked at my waistcoat and what you're showing. And
yeah,
it's like one of the big colors, these sort of like burnt oranges, these burnt sort of flamed tones.
The corals and all. And it just lifts up the mood after everything what has been going on. This is something which gives you that whiff of happiness here.
Okay, and if I'm looking, well, not me particularly, but if someone is looking for something extra special, what do we have for her?
So for something extra special, of course, we're looking for something which is more embellished and it is more, it has little bit more of glitter, not too much. So we have these sets of salwar kameez with a very, very comfortable flared palazzo and a beautiful neckline. If you can see, there's a nice, very subtle gold embroidery. And as we say in today's world, keyboard up dressing is taking the lead, and this is something, keyboard up necklines, where you are house partying with your friends, you are
keyboard up necklines.
Yeah, keyboard up dressing.
Okay, from the keyboard going up.
Yeah.
Okay, I like that.
So keyboard up dressing, where you are talking to your friends online, you are doing house party calls, you're doing Zoom calls. So this is something which immediately makes you stand out during the calls. And this is something, we have a coordinated dupatta with a very, very comfortable palazzo and a beautiful gold embroidered neckline here.
I don't know whether people are going to get back into high heels. I know block heels are making a comeback.
Right.
But I love your selection at the bottom here, because the footwear that you've kind of appropriated for all of these garments are kind of in the nude family.
They are more towards a nude family because it's easier to match them with all the colors which are available, and people are wanting to move out of slippers and get into something slightly more dressy, not very dressy yet comfortable. And these nude footwear are the perfect coordinated look for our kurtas, which are available in all the colors here.
So that was a summary of what's launching this week. Now we have Fresh Friday. So every Friday we have something new launching in the store across the ethnic wear department. So make sure you get over to our stores to take a look, or you could have a look online. I would love to know what some of your beauty hacks are, and I'd love to hear sort of your secrets so we could share them with our viewers.
Sure. So very important, if you have a really, really beautiful ensemble to wear, nothing is complete without a good nail paint and colored nails. And we have a beautiful collection of colors in Studio West. My must-have 6 colors from Studio West are the nudes, which go well with every outfit. Then there are 2 shades from the Rust family, which is more towards the festive and the warm look. And then we have 2 shades from the teal and the blue family, which is more of a casual and edgy look. I love the buildable foundation from Studio West. My day starts with a light layer of it, and when I want to pump it up slightly, I add another layer, and it gives a very dewy and a good glow to my skin in the evening.
Okay, wow. So that foundation, by the way, is available in 16 shades, so it covers a spectrum of skin color. Now, what about accessories? I mean, you've got these beautiful sort of like heavier earrings on with a very plain, well, not plain, but I mean a more simpler, relaxed sort of like detailed kurta. So what are you feeling for accessories?
For accessories, we can have bangles which are more embellished, or we can, if you don't feel like wearing a bangle, you can always style it up with a pair of nice statement ring, which looks really beautiful.
Yeah, I'm liking the statement rings. Everyone has their little festive, so what is your festive going to be?
See, for me, festive is not complete if we don't do up our house. So it's very important to do up our house and feel good about it. And I have this range of beautiful cushions which are very well coordinated. So there is a nice bright pink to bring up the mood and to pep up the mood. Then we have the printed cushions with nice gold embellishment which go very well with the pink cushions. And we have a very subtle geometric print cushion which makes a statement when you put them all together. So just throw them on the sofa and the house looks beautiful and very welcoming. Apart from this, of course, any house will look beautiful with a beautiful flower arrangement, and we have like really warm and soothing colors here with a little bit of green pop here, and just place it at on a side table or a center table to enhance the look.
Okay, that's great. So for our hacks for festive, we'll be coming back to you next week, telling you more about some of our festive tips. Be safe and speak to you soon.